Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Google Assistant on a ZTE Android TV Box. To do it, click on the Settings button on your remote. Then go to Device Preferences and go to Google Assistant. Now you can disable or enable it. Once you enable it, it will be done. You can also change different settings here, like permissions for the Google Assistant, the account that will be used to use Google Assistant, searchable apps, like to select if Netflix is searchable or some other apps. Let's allow that because it will help you search across that app. So for example, you can ask it to find a certain series or movie in the Netflix, and you can also enable Safe Search filter. And now let's see how the Google Assistant works. Just click on Google Assistant button, then ask it anything. What does the weather feel like in Kraków?
Right now in Krakow it feels like 16.
And you can see it gives me the answer. You can also add more things here. You can click on those, for example, or say them out loud. And yeah, it didn't give me a proper response, but never mind. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.